So alright guys, I've already washed the vehicle like so. I've also removed the mud flaps, both sides, and I have already cut the vinyl wrap, the material. I measured it 57 inch from there to over here. I actually added an inch, so 58 inch. I have quite a big of room there to play around. So but anyway, I'm gonna have to prep this first, apply some alcohol on the panel before I start putting this together. Okay. Okay guys, so I've laid out the wrap here and I'm going to cut. I've already marked it. You can see where I marked it. There you go. So that's where I'm gonna cut. And I'm also gonna cut right here on the rim. Okay, on that section. I'm gonna have to cut that after I cut that top part. Okay. Okay. It's our first day, guys. Okay, slowly but surely. No rush. So I got a cutter right here. I also bought this from online. I'll put the link below where you can get them from Amazon, and you guys can get it yourself also. So this can be used for something else also. Okay, we'll keep that aside. Keep it right here for now. It doesn't get blown away. So I can also cut here to here. There. So I'm just gonna. So here's the wheel. So I'm cutting the wheel here. Just gonna follow along where the tire is, where the rim. Right there. Straight down. So that's where I'm gonna cut. Okay. So I'm gonna grab my cutter. Here on this end. Right there. We can use this also for something. Okay? We can use that for something else or use it for practicing. Now for this part I'm going to cut. Just gonna look to make sure. Okay. There you go, guys. Now you can see my rim. Okay. Whew. That's good. Okay. So we've already cut some part of it. And now we're going to, I'm going to go prep my heat gun. And I'm going to start peeling the backing off the vinyl wrap. Okay. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is our first day and last day maybe, but anyway, here's my plan. So I'm gonna have to rip off the backing, right? And I'm gonna have to start from this side on to there and just work my way around. Okay, let's do this guys. Let's learn this one day at a time. If we make a mistake, it doesn't matter. Okay, I have a big roll right there of wrap. I can redo it again. I want to learn this very well, and I'm eager to learn it, so I don't care if I waste some wrap. So I'm just gonna get started and just wing this. Okay guys. Okay, hey, what's up guys? This is the final result of what I did earlier. It's not perfect, but it's a nice practice for a first timer, and I would say that I did a pretty good job on this portion of the panel. You can see some imperfection there, a little bit here. That's a bubble, and a little bit of paint problem there, which I didn't fix before I did the wrapping. And so is this part right here, like looks like a dirt got stuck in there or something, especially here. There's a bunch of dirt that got inside there. It's not a bubble, but basically dirt. Alright, I made a mistake when I lifted the wrap up, and then it got some dirt on the ground, and so that's what happened. But anyway, this is just my first time doing this, and I'm quite happy with the results here. I like the color of the vinyl wrap. It's nice and white. So anyway, that's how it is guys. Okay, so originally this had frozen vinyl wrap. So what happened is, when I was wrapping this, and then wrap got onto the hood, so it touches the wrap, and when I peeled it up like that, gloss part. So anyway, guys, so when I had the wrap, it got stuck onto the hood, peeled it out, and took the plastic part of the vinyl wrap, right? So I was pulling it up like this, so the plastic part came off of the vinyl wrap, and so when that happens, I took off the plastic part of the vinyl wrap, and it didn't look good, so I decided to peel the whole thing up and decided to maybe just wrap it in white with this material. But when I was peeling it out, I was peeling it out from the outside and out there, guess what? Paint came off. Anyway, this car was originally silver, but the hood, you can see the hood is red, so basically they just painted this. They repainted it on the stock body paint, but apparently they did it really cheap and really bad. That's why the paint came off. Now I have to deal with this now, and epic fail, guys. So that's what happened on my first fender panel wrap job. Epic fail.
A few inches later.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is the result of the wrapping of this side of the panel. You guys can see that there's a bubble right there. And this part here are popping out. This side though is very good. I think the reason why it's peeling is because the tack is not as good, and my finger might have got in contact to the material. That's why it didn't tack really good, and it's popping out. And as for this area here, I think I may have stretched it really too far. That's why it's like that. It wasn't like that to begin with. It just started showing up like that in the past couple days, and there it is. Really happy with the results here. It's really good, except for this part and that part down there. And as you guys can see, boom, my hood is wrapped in white, same material as what I've used in the rest of the panel here, but this part right here is very smooth, but this area isn't, because I didn't sand it properly. You guys can see some hills, islands, and stuff right there. It's really bad, but you know what? When I have time, I'm going to change the wrap. It's probably gonna be black, and I'm going to resand it and make it smooth and even and perfect. And kaboom, guys! You guys can see the front bumper is wrapped. So I did my best to do it, and I'll show you guys the nice part of it, this one is perfect. It's perfect. Some imperfection over here, imperfection here. Perfect. And when you come down to this area here where the fog and the grills, sloppy, 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 sloppy. I actually tried to do one piece with the whole bumper, and I was doing it, I was learning that it's not a good idea, and it was very difficult to do the corners here, so I ended up cutting it and making it a 4-piece, 5-piece, 6-piece on this part of it. There you go, guys, you can see it. That's one piece, another piece here, another piece here. Very sloppy on this corner, but if you go here, it's not so bad, right? Not so bad at all. There you go. So I only had to cover this portion of the panel. And you can see some bubble there, and this part here is not so bad too. I did a 2-piece. All right, 1, 2 piece going up there, so that's 2-piece. 1 piece from here all the way here to here, and 1 piece from here all the way up to the corner. That one looks real nice. Oops, don't peel it out. I also learned how to use knifeless tape, so that's what I use in doing the whole front bumper. And this is the final results, guys. You guys can see the whole front end is white, and I've also put the splitter now, front lip, and that just gives a little bit of a nice look, right? You guys agree or no? Okay, it's a nice touch. I like it. Anyway, the piece I used for the front was cut in half, and this is it right here. It's quite long. So that's basically gonna go into the rear of this car. So watch out, guys. I'm gonna be vlogging that part, that episode, when I do the rear bumper. So stay tuned, and we'll do the rest of the car. Alright, so I'm gonna vlog the whole episode unwrapping this vehicle here. Okay, so I put the rear bumper lip, the side skirt lip, and front splitter, or front lip, whichever you call it, whatever it is. Looks nice. Damn. Okay, love it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for my next vlog. Thank you.